Hi lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandra, a trusted skincare coach. Today I'll be taking you inside my daily face routine for this glowing, healthy and radiant face. If you've been wondering how to layer skincare product the right way, from your face wash to your sunscreen, or you're just tired of trying random products without results, this video is for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment glow below if you're ready to upgrade your skincare game. This routine is very simple and straight to point. It has been my routine for years, and I can bet you my skin is giving exactly what it should give. So let's dive into it. Let's start with the most underrated but important step, cleansing. I'm using simple moisturizing face wash, a gentle hydrating cleanser that removes dirt, oil, and leftover makeup without stripping my skin. Look for cleanser with ingredients like glycerin and ceramide if you have a dry skin. And if you have acne prone skin, look for cleanser that contains salicylic acid. And yes, I wash for a full 60 seconds to let the ingredients work. Don't just splash and go, babe. Massage that glow in. This particular product contains glycerin. It contains panthenol, that is pro-vitamin B5. It contains aloe vera. It contains niacinamide, that is vitamin B3. This is going to cleanse your skin without stripping your natural oil. It will gently remove dirt, sweat, impurities while maintaining your skin natural moisture. It is going to hydrate your skin while cleansing your skin, provide moisture to the skin during cleansing, preventing dryness and tightness. It will soothe the skin, calm skin sensitivity. It's going to help reduce redness, irritation, discomfort, making it ideal for delicate and sensitive skin. It will support a healthy skin barrier, strengthens your skin protective layer, helping it to stay resilient against environmental stressors. This is going to prepare your skin for a better product absorption, leaves your skin balanced, ready to absorb serums, toners, moisturizers more effectively. It's going to prevent over cleansing damage. So you massage this into your skin. This is gentle enough for daily use without disrupting your skin natural pH or causing micro damage. It's going to improve your skin texture over time. As you're using it, you're going to see how improved your skin texture will become. Regular use of this can lead to a more softer, more smoother, and more refined skin. It is going to minimize the appearance of dryness or flakiness. Help to reduce the visible signs of dehydration, making your skin look fresh and supple. It is also going to promote a natural glow, wear hydrated skin, and make your skin look more radiant and luminous. This is suitable for all skin types, especially for those with dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. This is very gentle and mild on the skin, and this is what I use to wash my face because the face is very delicate. I can use something that is harsh on my skin. It's going to strip up my natural barrier and cause problems to my skin. So this is what I use to wash my face anytime, both morning and night. Like I said, I keep massaging this for the next 60 seconds, after which I will now wash off. I'll rinse this off my skin and then go in with my toner. After washing up my face, I go in with my simple soothing toner. This is going to help balance my skin pH, helps to restore and maintain my skin optimal pH level after cleansing, prepares the skin for a better product absorption, create a fresh hydrated base for serums and moisturizers to penetrate more effectively, and is going to soothe the skin, calm irritation and skin redness, inflammation, sensitivity, especially after cleansing or exfoliating. It provides a lightweight hydration, adds a refreshing boost of moisture without feeling heavy or greasy on the skin. It helps to refine the appearance of your pores, gently tighten and tones the skin, minimize the looks of enlarged pores over time. It refreshes the skin and give you this cool looking skin. It offers a calm, cooling effect, perfect for hot climates, post-sun exposure, and stressed skin. It's going to also help remove leftover residuals, like sweep away traces of cleansers, makeup, hard water, and leave your skin feeling truly clean. It's going to boost your skin radiance and clarity. Encourages a smoother, brighter complexion with consistent use. So make sure you massage this all over your face. This is very gentle for sensitive skin, and it is very free from harsh actives, irritants, making it safe for calming, delicate skin type. It's going to help enhance your overall skin routine. Like, it's going to help enhance your skin, support and complement the effectiveness of all your full routine by creating a healthy skin foundation. So make sure your skin absorb this completely before you go in with your serum. Do you see the glow already? Yes. Although sometimes I use the ordinary glycolic acid, this helps to exfoliate my skin. I don't use it every day. I use it only at night, let's say 2 or 3 times in a week on my face to help me exfoliate the dead skin cells and have a more clean skin. So I either use this or I use this. But like I said, I don't use this every day. And I use this only at night, 2 or 3 times in a week to help me get rid of dead skin cells and have a more clarified skin. We all know the work of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an exfoliator that works deep into the skin to get rid of dead skin cells, to dissolve outer layer of the skin, the dirt that resides on the surface of the skin, to clean it, so that every other product you use afterwards can work effectively. So you can get this and this, but if you don't have money to buy this, you can just be using this, or get any exfoliating toner of your choice or exfoliating serum, as the case may be. So this is what I'm using. So after my toner, the next thing I use on my face is a serum. I use this face packed caffeine serum. The major ingredient here is caffeine and provitamin B5. Caffeine helps to shrink blood vessel, reduce swelling, making it great for under-eye puffiness and tired-looking skin. It helps to minimize that circle. Regular use of this caffeine around your eye area can improve the appearance of dark circles, boosting circulation and reducing pigmentation. Caffeine also stimulates microcirculation in the skin, which can help awaken dull and fatty skin for a fresher appearance. This is also going to help hydrate and soften your skin. It contains glycerin, which helps to draw moisture into the skin, leaving it soft, plump, hydrated without heaviness. This is going to also help to soothe your skin and give you that refreshed skin. It is lightweight. And because of the lightweight texture, it is going to help soothe your skin without leaving it feeling heavy. And it is ideal for both morning and night use. You can use this under makeup for those of you that wear makeup. It's going to smoothen your skin, tighten your skin surface, making it good base for concealer or foundation, especially around your eye area. This is very gentle to be used on the skin and can be used by all skin type, can be used in the morning, can be used at night. So whatever skin type you have, you can use this serum. All I have to do is to drop 2 or 3 drops of this on my face, and then with the tip of my finger, I'll massage this into my skin. With the tip of my finger, I'll massage this into my skin. This is very lightweight, like I say, so it absorbs quick into the skin, giving you that instant hydration and instant glow. Just spread this all over your skin, focusing on your under eye area. If you know you have eye bag like myself, or you have dark circle. If you have dark circle, you have eye bags. Focus under your eye area. After massaging this into my skin, I will now dab for easy absorption. I will do this for the next 60 seconds to make sure that my skin completely absorbs the nutrients in this particular serum. Can you see the instant glow? Can you see how my skin is glowing already? I've not even used a moisturizer or a cream already. But you can see how my skin is looking very bouncy, how my skin is looking very, very silky, very glowing. That's exactly what you get from using this face facts revive and brighten caffeine serum. This is going to target your dull looking skin and even out your complexion. It has the right ingredients to get the job done. This is exactly what my face used to look like before I introduced this serum to my routine. This serum really helped my life. I used to have these bad eye bags, this puffiness on them. It was very pronounced and very irritating. But when I started using this, as you can see now and you can see before. So compare it. There's drastic change. I have a lot of improvements on my under eye area, all thanks to this serum and other products I use in my routine. So after my serum, the next thing I go in with is my face cream. This face cream is also a face and eye cream. I'm talking about natural eye and face cream. This face cream contains the right ingredients that will help with under your eye area and will also help give you that glowing, beautiful skin. Products contain glycerin, collagen, retinol palmitate, that's vitamin A derivative. It contains hyaluronic acid, it contains allantoin, it contains shea butter, vitamin E, niacinamide, it contains chamomile, it contains cucumber extract, and it contains so many other ingredients. It has so many good ingredients that will not only help pamper your face, but give you that nourishing effect. This is going to help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. The vitamin A derivative and collagen will help to smooth aging lines and support skin structure. The hyaluronic acid and glycerin locks in moisture, making your skin look plump and healthier. The collagen and vitamin E will help support your skin regeneration and firmness over time. The niacinamide and cucumber extracts will help reduce the pigmentation and refresh tired skin, especially around your eye area. The allantoin and the chamomile will help calm irritation and help reduce the puffiness and redness around your eye area. The shea butter will help nourish your skin or rough patches, giving you a smoother overall appearance. The vitamin E and botanical extracts will help protect your skin from free radicals, damage, and environmental stressors. This is designed for the delicate under eye area and very effective across your face to target wrinkles and care for your face. This is also going to help support your skin renewal overnight. This is very ideal for overnight use when your skin enters its natural repair phase. This is suitable for mature, dry, and aging skin type. If you're 30 plus, this is balanced to address your concerns, which include dryness, loss of firmness, dullness. This is good for everybody. Be you a pregnant mom, a trying to conceive mom, a breastfeeding mom, this is very safe for use for everybody. Unlike retinol or tretinoin or retinol family, that cannot be used by certain category of people. All you have to do is to apply this on your face. And like you did with the serum, with the tip of your finger, you massage into your skin. As simple as that. That's exactly what I do. But this time you pay more attention to your under eye area, especially if you're like myself that have eye bag. You have to pay so much attention to your under eye area. I have used this for years. And for those of you that have seen me, you can testify that my skin, my face is always glowing. You can testify. This is going to give you that glow finish, matte finish. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It is very lightweight, but very moisturizing. It's going to moisturize your skin. As you're applying it, you use it to massage your skin upward. Especially if you're targeting wrinkles, fine lines, these lines here, you have to massage from this line upwards. That is how I use. After spreading it all over my face, this is what I do next. I also massage upward. And that is it, guys. You see? Can you feel the glow? Can you feel how plump my skin is? Can you see? This particular face cream has helped me so much. Since I discovered this face cream, that is what I've been using on my face with that serum. I don't joke with these two products. I don't joke with them. These two products helped my life, moved my skin from this to this. I'm not joking. So after this, the next thing I go in with is my sunscreen. But first, I have to allow this to sit on my skin for like 60 seconds to be sure it has completely absorbed into my skin before I go in with my sunscreen. I use Nivea sunscreen. It is very lightweight and absorbs very fast into the skin. It has the right ingredients to give me full coverage, so I don't joke with my sunscreen. And for those of you that don't know how to use a sunscreen, one thing is to have a good sunscreen. Another thing is to use it the right way, the right quantity, so you can have that maximum protection. And if you're afraid of buying sunscreen because you're afraid, you don't know if this sunscreen is going to make you sweat too much, you don't know if this sunscreen is going to make you look darker, Nivea sunscreen will not darken your skin. It will not make you sweat too much because it is very lightweight. It is very watery. I don't know if you can see it properly. Just line it on your two fingers from the roots down up. Then you apply it on your face. Down to your neck. Oh. Whatever you do to your face, make sure you do to your neck. Do you see? This doesn't give any white casts. So if you're afraid of sunscreen that will not give you any white casts, Nivea sunscreen is the game. These do not give any white cast at all, and it absorbs very fast into the skin. You don't even have to do too much. Just leave it. Before you know it, it will disappear into your skin in a blink. That is how good this sunscreen is. If you're doing everything right but skipping this step, sunscreen, you're wasting your routine. Harsh truths. Sunscreen protects your skin against UVA damage and UVB damage, premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and so many other things. Sunscreen is very important. It is non-negotiable. It is very important. And that is it. My 5-step daily routine for my face that keep my skin looking this healthy, brighter, and protected. It's just simple: cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and my sunscreen. And it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Skincare is a journey, not a race. If you've learned something new or felt inspired, don't forget to like, comment, glow up, and subscribe for more real and relatable skincare tips. Your glow is one routine away, and I'm here to guide you every step. So if you're ready to start this journey with me, tell me under the comment section that you're ready. Let's go into this together. I love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye.